Hi friends, today we will discuss about the HRA, how it is calculated and how it will be work and what is HRA and how will be utilize these things in our salary. First thing is you should know what is the basic salary from your CTC for monthly wise and yearly wise or annum. So first thing is every month you are paying a rent of one rented house means you can able to eligible to use this HRA. HRA is normally it will be 50 percentage of your basic salary from these things. So we can discuss about this HRA, how it will be useful for our tax exemptions from that. And before that, you should know you should select a tax region 1. It is a old region to get this HRA benefit. If you selected the tax region 2, so for the current financial year, if you selected that tax region 2 means you can't able to switch to previous region, but means the old region. So before that, make sure you should selected tax region 1. So next we will discuss about this house rental allowance. What is that? So HRA means it is a house rental allowance. So the company can give in your offer letter or your salary breakup, they are mentioning basic salary, HRA, convenience, medical allowance and personal allowance, variable pay, etc, etc. So main thing is basic salary. The HRA is calculated from the basic salary. It is almost 50 percentage from your basic salary. And also it is mentioning as a metro and non-metro cities. So metro cities means it will be applicable for from the basic salary it is a 50 percentage. If it is a non-metro means they are mentioning as a 40 percentage. So you should check before that, you should check with your HR or finance regarding these details from your company norms. So first we can go for Income Tax Act. They are mentioning these things in Income Tax Act 1961. So HR is a in the screen you can see how the HRA is calculated. The actual HRA received from your employer, that means I already told from the basic salary it is almost 50 to 40 percentage. This is differ from every company or norms. The actual rent paid by you for the house minus 10 percentage of your salary, it is a included basic and dearness allowance. So they should be, you should know these things from the HR people to what is your basic salary and dearness allowance, what is the eligibility to get, how much amount you can able to utilize for this financial year for HRA. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And 50 percentage of your basic salary already told, it is for a metro. If you live in metro city means like in Tamil Nadu it has Chennai is metro city, except that it is not in a non-metro, it is comes under the non-metro. So if it is a, you can able to get 40 percentage of your basic salary. So that's why I mentioning 40 to 50 percentage difference. Yeah, and how much amount if you are eligibility. So don't worry about that. The HR people or finance people, they will be no, they it is in under non-metro or metro stay location. So based on that they will be calculating the tax. No one will be help or no one will be give the chance to reduce your or tax things. So please check with your HR and finance team, ask them again and again to get these details and what are the documents you need to submit. So I will be explain all the things in upcoming flows, but you should check with your properly in with your company HR and finance team to get all the details clearly and what they are expecting. You can check and fill the forms and submit those details. Normally we have house rental allowance, rent received is enough for below 1 lakh and above 1 lakh means you need to give that PAN card of copy of that owner. So this is a normal flow. So these details we can discuss later. Next things. So before that I already told less than 1 lakh means month wise 8,333 rupees is per month you can, they are allowing for 1 lakh before below 1 lakh. So if normally if you have a salary packages of below 7 lakh means normally it will be, this is enough to get zero tax for this current financial year. So first thing is you should give proper things. If you rented in a metro or non-metro cities, so 40% of the basic salary won't be allowed to get the benefits. So first, in every month 8,333 rupees month wise. Yearly it will be 1 lakh. So below 1 lakh means you need to upload the fill the rent receipt and sign that with 1 rupee or revenue stamp. So this is enough. For rent agreement is another option to get this benefit. So based on the company policy it will be changed. So please check with your HR once again and finance team to clarify your details. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and share with your friends these details and get HRA benefits. And if the rent is greater than 8,333 means the rent receipt is not enough. Already told the same thing. So rent receipt is only for enough for only below 1 lakh for annum. So we need to produce the PAN card copy of the owner or landlord. So if the owner is not having some situations, the owner didn't have a PAN card means we need to submit another one from get a signature from the house owner in a rent receipt as well as the declaration form and fill the details, these things. So we can check these details, and I have attached I have attached in G2 URL, and also that URL is placed in below descriptions. So you can check download the rent receipt documents, and I will explain how to fill the rent receipt document and also declaration form. The house owner didn't have PAN card copy means we need to submit the declaration form. So two things we need to, if it is have a HRA is above 1 lakh means you need to submit rent receipt and PAN card copy of the landlord. Photocopy is enough or Xerox is enough. If the PAN card copy is not there means we need to submit the declaration form of the house owner to not valid reason for not having the PAN card details. So this is a flow. We are in some companies following this similar kind of following only. So except some companies they are following some other things, when we need to check with their proper HR and finance team to try to neutralize this house rental allowance. So next we can check with how to fill the rent receipt. So I have a lot of times getting confusion about this rent receipt, how to fill the rent receipt, which place we need to mentioning my name and house owner name. This confusion I have, and date wise also I have confusion what date we need to from and to. So a lot of confusion I have. That's why I have upload these details with proper document already filled. Last year I have last year in this current financial year I have filled these documents. First one is rent receipt to have a section 13A. Received a sum of, it is a whole year, so in a current financial, so I already told if it is a 8,333 is below 1 lakh for persons, and what is the available limit they can given in a, based on your basic salary, 50% for a metro city and 40% for a 40 percentage for a non-metro. Example, if you have per month salary is 1 lakh means basic salary is 1 lakh means 50,000 is eligible for a thing, but we have some other conditions will be there. First thing is non-metro means 40,000 is exemption. So please check with the HRA, and also we can able to utilize that, and what is the actual amount you are paying to the house owner. You can get this proper document for the clearance. First thing is received a sum of rupees per year calculation only. So you can mention 1,20,000 something. So you can write those 1,20,000, and from means my name Shivasubramanian, and towards the rent of monthly wise, so 10,000 per month. So this is important details. And next I already told I have confusion on that. So 1st April 2020 for this year I have placed this in I think first week of the April. So 1st April 21 to next end of financial year is 31st March 2022. This is the actual procedure to fill the form. So 1st April is very important of 2021 for a current financial year, and next year 2020 up to. So everyone have a confusion on 1st April 2022 31st March 2021. This is not a correct way. So we can filing for the future tax deduction. That's why we need to fill this document in a 1st April to 1st March of 31st March of 2022. And also in respect of house number, this is a house number is very important. So current address you are staying for a rent, it is a metro or non-metro, this is both are similar. So you need to fill the door number, street name and location name and particular city. So the city is very important for finding it is a metro or non-metro city. So these are the easiest way to claim HRA. So before that you should know what is tax region 1 or tax region 2. So always select tax region 1 to claim all these benefits. If you selected the tax region 2 means you can't able to change for this year. Next year you please change to tax region 1 to get this HRA benefits. Otherwise you will not get any this HRA benefits, and also you can't ATC PF benefits. So next things we can't able to find. So please follow my channel to get latest news about the tax and how to save your money to giving the tax to the government. So this is very important. My friends also having same problem. They didn't know these things. That's why I have put this video for other peoples also. The main thing is you should neutralize all the easiest benefits things. You are paying already rent, so you can get the benefits. That's a small thing, so don't aware of these things. So no one will be educating you, so you should learn from others or your friends and your channels. You please check with financial teams or your friends regarding and discuss about the details of this rent receipt. So because some people are not know anything and don't work anything, and if you are not there means you can select a region 2. It will be have sometimes we have better of this region 1. So please try to sort out these things and find correct way to get a tax benefit. HRA is a very important and easiest way to get this benefit, but in ATC means you need to pay and get a receipt and all that. But already you are staying in a rent means you can easily you can applicable to claim this HRA. And I already told in this form it have a revenue stamp you need to place and get a signature above of this particular revenue stamp. So this is important. And left side I am mentioning the date of when I so first week I have filled every year, so that's why 5/4/2021. And also right side, bottom right side, it have a signature of the house owner. So it have a name of the house owner and address. It is a non-metro or metro cities and with pin code number and door number and street name. And PAN number is very important if it is above 1 lakh for an. So if it is not, if it is below 1 lakh for the thing, you don't give any PAN number. So if it is there means not a problem, but in future if it is having 1 lakh above only, we need to provide this PAN card. If it is not there means we need to provide the alternate option, declaration form. So declaration form for a house owner, the PAN card not available. So this is the reason the declaration form is there. Already the link is downloadable form link is available in the description. Please use it and get the HRA benefits as soon as possible and get a refund and other things will be discussed later. So get a form 16 is very important in IT or non-IT peoples. You should know what is form 16 and next things we will discuss in the upcoming videos. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.